Now we come to zalika. Brother, what is hadha? This. More than that, it's a pronoun. What kind of a pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. And what do we call in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Again, as I said, don't get stressed that I have to memorize it. No. I will be repeating it and saying to you Ismu ishara. After a little while, you will know it is Ismu ishara. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this and that? This you use for pointing out things which are closer to you. And that you say for far things. So, if both are pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, we'll say, Hadha ismul ishara lil kareem, for something that is closer. And Zalika ismul ishara lil ba'id. Very simple. Very simple. Okay? So, Hadha qalamun, Hadha bab, Dhalika babun. What did I say? Hadha qalamun, Dhalika babun. So when I have to point out something which is far, you just use Dhalika. Ready, brother? The question, ma is same. Ma Dhalika. What is the meaning, brother? What is that now? We are talking about that. Dhalika najmun. That is a star. Hadha masjidun, which is closer to us. Wazalika. What is the meaning of wazalika? And that is a house. Hadha hisanun. This is a house. Wazalika himarun. Are you with me, brother? Zalika himarun. Now, we want to ask a question. So we are bringing Hamza in front. Azalika kalbun? La. Zalika kittun. That is a cat. Okay. Ma zalika? Zalika sarirun. Now we come to human being and we say, Man hadha wa man zalika. Who is this and who is that? What is the answer? Hadha mudarrisun wa zalika imamun. Imam, the one who leads us in the prayers. Okay, brother? Ma zalika? Zalika hajarun. Look at the vowel signs, brother, and try to, inshallah, understand and memorize it. Zalika hajarun. What is the meaning of hajarun? A big rock. Hadha sukkarun. Look at the shadda on kaf. Hadha sukkarun. Wadhalika labanun. Now, brother, sukkarun. Okay? This is an Arabic word. In English we say sugar, but it has been derived from Arabic. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Are you with me, brothers? Now, again the same thing. Dr. Abdurrahim thinks you know all the vowel signs. No more vowel signs, but you will write down. Ikra waktub. Hadha. Sister Salma, you will say sukkarun. Whenever there is a shadda, give justice to shadda and pronounce it properly. Okay? So, now you see, if I write down to you, how will you pronounce? I did not put vowel sign. How do you know it is ki, ta, bun? Because it will come to in your mind. So when you see this, it will come to your mind that it is sukka, shadda, ka, run. Sukkarun. So every letter in Arabic, every word in Arabic, inshallah, slowly your mind, will retain it. And you will, inshallah, find it easy. Brothers and sisters, those who know Urdu, when you read Urdu, are there any vowel signs? Or ask somebody else who doesn't know Urdu to come and read Urdu paper. They'll get lost. But you don't get lost. Why? Because your mind can identify without the vowel signs. And inshallah, same thing will happen to us. But it will be a slow process and it will be easier if you put an effort into it. Inshallah. So, brother, the first was هذا سكر وذلك لبن. This is a sugar and that is a milk. Next one, brother. Man ذلك. Who is that? ذلك imamun. See, now you are writing mun automatically. Mun. It's not there, but you said imamun and we will say mun, inshallah. أذلك قط لا ذلك كلب ذلك كلب ما هذا هذا حجر. There is a fatah on jim, not hajarun but hajarun. Okay, brother. Al kalimatul jadidat. Okay, brothers and sisters. Imamun, hajarun, sukkarun, labanun. Do you see that dun coming? Are you with me? Dun coming. Can you see? Okay. Brothers and sisters, because this is intensive course, and because we expect you to go home and sit down and do your homework. Okay? Okay. Inshallah, we will move at a speed, because we want to finish this in 7 months. Now we come to